Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to enable basic copy protection for your Simple booklet. This feature prevents your audience from right-clicking on your content to download it, helping you keep your work secure and maintain control over your intellectual property. So we're going to get started here today on the Simple Booklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Advanced button. And then we're just going to want to make sure that the basic copy protection option is toggled on. Now that it's enabled, your audience won't be able to right-click on your content to download it directly to their device. Your changes will be saved automatically. With basic copy protection active, your content is now secure, helping you maintain control over how it's accessed and shared. Enabling this feature helps protect your content during the action stage of the reader's journey. By preventing unauthorized downloads, it establishes trust and professionalism, reassuring your readers that the content they are interacting with is secure. This allows for deeper engagement while keeping your intellectual property safe. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simple Booklet. Thanks for watching.